Okay, the directions again say on step or example 4 to also justify. So let's repeat another one here, and I'm just going to kind of give myself a little bit of room there. Again, we have a statement column, and then we have a reason column, and let's just go ahead then and slide down our equation that we were given. It is a little bit more involved equation, but nothing that we have not done since probably about 7th and 8th grade on that. Again, I have to give you an equation there. In this case, we get that, again, big equation there. And anytime I see in my problem parentheses, that's usually where I'm going to start off with, is using the distributive property. Now we have two sets of parentheses, no big deal, and in front of this one is a -1 hiding there. So we're going to distribute the -1, and we're going to distribute that -3. So let's watch our multiplication. -3 times -7x, 21x. -3 times 4 is -12. -1 times +1, and -1 times -x. Again, we use the distributive property, so that's exactly what I'm going to put it as my reason there. Sorry, I don't have a lot of room. Okay, left-hand side looks like a little bit of a mess for my equation there. It's because I have like terms now I can bring together. I can only bring those like terms together when those parentheses are gone. So I'm going to bring together the variables, and then the ones without the variable we call those constants. So 21x plus x gives me 22x, and -12 plus a -1 is going to give me a -13. Once you've cleaned up that equation a bit, we start to getting again what we call a two-step equation, and we have left us 2 steps to go. We're going to add a 13 and divide by 22. Now for my reason though, to fill that out, we have 2 ways we can go. We can say literally just, hey, combine like terms. That is completely fine. Combine like terms is fine as a justification there, a reason. Or we could go even simpler and just say the word simplify. Simplify also kind of combines that. So any of those are fine. I will use those interchangeably when we combine like terms, or just say simplify it, kind of clean it up. All right, step 4. I'm going to add 13 to both sides. Watch your arithmetic. 53 plus 13 gives you 66. And we added 13, so that's the addition property of equality. And then on the last step, to divide by 22. 66 divided by 22 gives me 3. And because I divided, that is again our division property of equality. Again, that is what I'm looking for when it says to justify.